In this video, we will learn how to tap and add force to the ball. Let's continue with the script from the part 1. So we need some bars for the power and also the reference to the rigid body. So first let's check the range. Our ball is rotating, so it's the negative and positive value of the C rotation. We will use this value to calculate the power or the force which should be added to the ball. So it's rotating between negative 0.5 and positive 0.5. So each time we are on the end of the rotation, our force should be 0. So let's calculate this. Let's use this calculated power and apply it to our rigid body. If we tap the screen, we would like to apply the force to our ball. As you can see, it is working, but the force is too small and we need to unparent the ball. So now it works and it is not affected by the parent anymore. But just let's increase the force and try it again. Yeah, looks better. Okay, now let's fix the rotation of the ball. It should always look in the direction it is moving. I have covered this script already in one of my videos, so I will link it here.